Welcome to Outing Journal. I'm traveling on the Cebu Pacific. So here's my review and my in-meal. Let me show you what you can get in the Cebu Pacific in the plane. So this is what you can get in the Cebu. So this is what you're gonna get in a Cebu Pacific flight. So the mini cookies, butter macaron. I will be getting some happy peanuts for 30 peso, and my wife will be getting the Gatorade for 60 peso, and I will be having a great white coffee for 50 peso. Sadly, I forgot to buy the meal online. Like if you buy the meal online, you can get this one. I wanna try the beef. A border is only 250 peso if you book buy online. So Hana, what do you want? What do you want?
Drink.
What drink do you want? Okay, I will get a great white coffee and let's ask them. So finally, I'm drinking my great white taste, and my wife loved the Gatorade. So my review is quite simple. Cebu Pacific is a budget airline. For example, from Zamboanga to Davao, I only pay like how much? $35. Yes, $35. The downside is that you have to buy the meal, the luggage. From Davao, when I travel, I can carry two, hand carry and backpack. But from Manila or Zamboanga, on most of the Philippine cities, they don't allow you to carry more than one. So you have to check in. I pay for my hand carry check-in around $20. But overall, like compared to Air Asia or Philippine Air, Cebu is one of the cheapest, and the service is very good. Again, this is a budget airline, low cost airline. It's like in last years, like they increase their fleet and then they add new planes to it. So will I recommend? Definitely I will recommend. It's a quite nice airline. I will highly recommend it. Subscribe and bye.